Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for an incline bench for your at-home gym, check out this one from VENDUX. Now, what I love about this bench is that it comes fully assembled. It's literally 2 pins to keep it in place, so it's super easy. You can use it right out of the box. It folds down nice and flat, so if you can only use it at certain times and you need to store it away the rest of the time, it's really convenient to do that. Now it's fully adjustable, so your backrest can go from an upright position all the way to a declining position. So if you're doing any sit-ups, things like that, that's perfect. Or you can have it flat and it's adjustable all the way up. The same goes with the seat. So you can really customize your workouts and use this bench in all sorts of different scenarios. It also has the adjustable footrest. The cushion is nice and thick, so it's very comfortable and super wipeable, easy to clean. It's on the narrower side, so it really doesn't take up a large footprint. I also like how lightweight it is, so if you're working solo, it's easy to move from point A to point B. Just overall, a really great workout bench. I've been really happy with it as part of my home gym, and I'm sure you will be too, and that's my point of view.